This car came into the workshop. No engine sound, no dashboard lights. Completely dead. But the owner said it still drives at night. And that's when things got strange. Dust covered the body. Scratches everywhere. The battery was dead. See, you're not responding. Even though it hadn't been started. Or at least, that's what we thought. We decided to leave the car in the workshop overnight. Cameras on. Doors locked. Everything recorded. At 2:13 a.m., the camera flickered. And suddenly, the headlights turned on. Beat themselves. No key. No battery. Just on. On. The next morning, the car was not in its place. It had moved. 3 meters forward, no teary marks, no sign of break-in. And the scariest part, the ECU log showed engine runtime at 2:13 a.m. But we never started it. We opened the ECU inside. Someone had modified it, a hidden module. We contacted the owner again. Went silent then, he admitted. This car used to belong to a private company. Before I bought it cheap, a company that tested autonomous driving systems. That night, we disconnected everything, removed the module. And finally, the car stayed dead. But before we finish, one last log appeared. Remote connection lost. So tell me, would you drive a car that can drive itself? Without you? Subscribe. Because next story is even more dangerous.